Um, well, my journey started very long back. I think it was 2005 or 2006. I was seeking myself. I had chosen a life which was very difficult in my perception, and it had shaken me completely inside out. And that, and I wanted someone who could understand, who could tell me what to do. And I came across Ritu. The first session I had with Ritu was kind of unpleasant, to know that I am responsible for my own self. I'm responsible for the miseries in my life. That was not right. I didn't choose them. Um, but little by little, as years passed on, and I um, started to understand more of my choices and what I did to learn a lesson, um, I became very interested in this course. And then in 2016, I came to Ajna to do a course in spiritual counseling. And since then, it has not left me. It has changed my life profoundly. Um, I think what I lacked, and still at times I do lack, is oneness in me. I tend to separate myself from my own powers, thinking that it's not in my control, that I can't do anything about it, only to realize that what I want is to be calm and protected, and that is what was something I was not giving myself.